guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the AirPod Pros. Now, I'm so excited that I finally was able to pick these up. I wanted to get them for a while, but I wanted to wait until my old AirPods didn't work anymore. And it came to the point where they don't work anymore. I got them around, I would say 2 to 3 years ago, and for some reason the battery just keeps draining. They won't hold a full battery for more than 20 minutes, which is not good, especially because I use them to edit and everything like that. So I thought it would be a good idea to pick up a new pair. So with all that being said, if you guys liked the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me, and let's get into the video. If you're hearing this right now, comment the Apple emoji down below. Okay, let's get into it. So these are what they look like. They are just the newer AirPod Pros. I'm just going to start unboxing it, and then I will probably compare them to my other ones that I have in my room, even though they don't work, and we will see which ones are better, because the ones in my room do work, just like I said, they just don't hold the battery for a long time, which is not good. So that is the whole story on that. Let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so first thing first, they give us this little designed by Apple in California, which I personally don't read. I don't know if a lot of people read it, but this is just the little directions on how you can set up the AirPods and everything like that if you didn't know how. Personally, if I'm confused about something, I just go on YouTube and search it up there just because I think it's easier. And here are the AirPod Pros. So when I open it, this is what they look like. The first thing I noticed that is different is the case is wider. The other case for the regular AirPods was longer, so that's the first thing. The second thing I noticed is that these AirPod Pros have a little rubber thing where the earpiece goes, so that's something that's interesting as well. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I think that it looks really cool, and I'm excited to set it up to my phone. So I'm gonna put this over here for now, and I'm going to see if anything else is in the box. So in the box, there is also this. These are extra little earbud pieces. So I guess you just pull it like this, and then it opens like this, and these are just extra pieces just in case maybe you lose them or they get dirty or anything like that. So that's really cool that they give you that, so you don't have to like pay for them or something. So that's the next thing that's in the box. The other thing that's in the box is this wire. I think it's really cool that they give us a wire now. I don't remember getting one with the AirPods I originally had. I'm not sure if I did, I just don't remember. And they just plug into the little cube. And the only thing that's different is that this is a USB-C. I think that's what it's called. Don't come at me if I'm wrong. I am not a tech guru at all, but this is what I think it's called. It's like the one that plugs into the bigger cube that makes the iPhone 12 charge to like half battery in 30 minutes, which is really cool. So that is what this came with. And I don't know, I think it's cool that they give you the wire as well. Now that you guys saw everything that was in the box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in my room and get my phone, and I'm going to first of all compare the two little AirPods, so the AirPod Pros, to the older AirPods, and then I will connect them to my phone and see all the settings that these AirPods allow you to do. So the difference between the two AirPods is, again, that this one is longer, these are the old AirPods, and that this one is wider. Now, when I open them both up together, they look like this. So these ones are just the normal earbud, and then these ones are the one with the little rubber thing on the outside. I'm not sure what it's called, but this is what it looks like. And yeah, comparing them, I think that the AirPod Pros are going to be a lot better. I know that the AirPod Pros, they can be soundproof, they can be translucent, or they could just be like normal, like the other AirPods, but with these AirPods, they can only be like the normal settings, so I think that's really cool as well. Now I'm going to actually set these up to my phone and test out a few things and do it on camera with you guys and see how I like it. Also, for any of you who are going to ask me, these little widgets are Lauren Doan's. They are not mine. I don't want to take credit for that. They are on her website, and I will link that down below if I can find it, but if not, her video where I got this from will be linked down below. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the AirPods like that, and it should pop up by my phone like this, and all I'm going to do is hit connect. And now it's telling me what the AirPods are at. So the case is at 27%, the left AirPod is at 47, and the right AirPod is at 33. So I'm going to hit done, and I guess they're connected. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the AirPods in my ear and see if I can hear the difference with like noise cancellation and everything like that. Did like that little beep sound that they do, so that's cool. So now right now I hear static. I'm going to play my music and see how I like it. Okay, I like it a lot. It's a lot less staticky than my other AirPods. I'm not sure why they were staticky. I think it might be because they're old, but I do really like these based off of the immediate difference off of static and like how well I could hear. I'm going to go into my control center and see what I can do right here with the AirPods. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. So if you guys can see, this is in the control center. What you would do is you would hit the AirPods button next to the brightness and you would just hold it down, and then this comes up. So right now it's on transparency. I know before I said translucent, that is not what I meant. I meant transparency. That's where you can hear what's going on in the outside world and still listen to your AirPod. Off means that it's just normal, and then noise cancellation means that you can't hear anything else. So I'm going to try each of these settings and see which one I like the best. First things first, I have to put the other AirPod in so I can actually see if the noise cancellation works. Okay, I can barely hear myself talking with the noise cancellation on, so I think that's cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put on music and see if I could hear my brother talking. I'm not sure if you guys can hear him on camera, but before I put the noise cancellation on, I could hear him, so I'm gonna see if I could hear him. I don't hear him. I'm gonna turn the noise cancellation off just because I can't really hear myself talking. I think it's really, really cool that I wasn't able to like hear anything in the outside world. I thought that was so cool. The minute I turned noise cancellation off, I heard such a difference. It wasn't even funny. So that's really cool. Now I put on transparency and I'm gonna see the difference. Alright, so this one is a little different. I feel like my voice is echoing with this one. It's like a lot more normal, if that makes sense. I think I like the off the best just because it seems the most like normal to me compared to the other headphones. So I'm going to take these out because when I'm talking to you guys, it does feel a little weird with the headphones in, just because like I can't really hear myself talking, especially if the noise cancellation is on. But I do really like them. I like how I can charge them really fast now, and I know that they're going to hold a battery this time, unlike my other ones. So again, these are the Pros and these are the regular AirPods. I do recommend the Pros literally just based off of this 2 seconds of having them because they are so much better than the regular AirPods in my opinion. The rest of this video is probably going to be a vlog just because it's not that long, and I know you guys like longer videos, so I am going to make the rest of this video a vlog. Thank you for watching if all you came for was the AirPod Pro unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed, and now let's get right into the vlog. I am going to be getting my hair done. So my hair is highlighted and the highlights are kind of like grown out. So I'm going to get my hair re-highlighted. So like I said, this is what it looks like right now. And I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog when I'm in the hair salon just because of everything going on in the world. It's a little like iffy, and I don't know if my hairdresser wants to be on camera. So if she does, maybe I'll do a couple clips like montage, but I will definitely show you guys what I got afterwards and then answer questions on like what I asked for and everything like that. So my hair is done. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. I think it looks so pretty. If you guys can see all the blonde highlights that I put in, I really like it. This is actually the next day because I actually had to leave the salon while my head was still wet because I had to run to work and my hairdresser didn't have time to actually blow dry my hair or like style it or cut it, but that's okay. I totally understood and I knew that before going, so it's okay. But I really like how it turned out. It looks like this, and basically what I asked for is just a blonde highlight. I did a half head of highlights, and I just had her like match the highlight that she did in my hair last time and then make it a tad bit lighter. But I really like it. I think it looks really, really pretty. So Mel, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I really like it. But with all that being said, that's about it for my hair. I do get questions sometimes about like what products I use in my hair, how I style it, and everything like that. So for shampoo, I use the Pantene Original Shampoo and Conditioner, and then sometimes I'll use the Pantene Detangular, but other than that, I don't really put any product in my hair if it's not like hairspray or heat protectant. So that's really all I do, and I just get it cut every now and then and everything like that. Literally, other than that, to make the static go away, all I do is I spray my hands with a little bit of hairspray, and I just go like this at the top, and then it doesn't look hairsprayed and the static stays down. So that's another way you can do it if you were interested in how I did that. And yeah, that's about everything I do for my hair.